Today we're going to explore the top 5 best water dispensers that make getting fresh, clean, and convenient drinking water easier than ever. We'll break down each dispenser's cooling and heating performance, filtration system, capacity, design, and overall reliability so you can easily choose the right one for your home or office. Whether you need instant hot water, cold refreshing drinks, or a smarter hydration solution, these water dispensers are designed to make your daily routine more convenient. Check the links in the description for full details and buying options. So stay tuned and watch the full video to find the perfect water dispenser for you. Number 1. Brio Bottom Loading Water Cooler Dispenser. The Brio Bottom Loading Water Cooler Dispenser is a convenient home and office water dispenser designed for 3 or 5 gallon water bottles. Its bottom loading design eliminates the struggle of lifting heavy bottles, making refills much easier and more user-friendly. This water cooler offers 3 temperature options: hot, cold, and room temperature, allowing you to enjoy chilled water, normal drinking water, or hot water for tea and coffee. The hot water function also includes a child safety lock, helping prevent accidental burns. One of the biggest advantages is its smart LED display with an empty bottle alert, which lets you know when it's time to replace the water bottle. The stainless steel design gives it a modern look that fits well in kitchens, offices, and other spaces. With a 500W power system and a large cabinet that supports standard 3 or 5 gallon bottles, the Brio dispenser provides reliable daily hydration. However, it is a freestanding unit, so it does require floor space, and the bottle itself is not included. Pros: heavy checkmark bottom loading design, no heavy lifting. Heavy checkmark hot, cold and room temperature water options. Heavy checkmark child safety lock for hot water. Heavy checkmark LED display with empty bottle alert. Heavy checkmark fits 3 and 5 gallon bottles. Heavy checkmark stylish stainless steel finish. Heavy checkmark great for home and office use. Cons: large size requires floor space. Water bottle not included. Hot water heating speed may not satisfy heavy users. Requires regular cleaning and maintenance. Final verdict: the Brio Bottom Loading Water Cooler Dispenser is a solid choice for families, offices, and anyone who wants convenient access to hot and cold water without lifting heavy bottles. Its easy bottom loading system, safety features, and modern design make it one of the better options for everyday hydration. If you need a reliable water cooler with simple operation and premium convenience, the Brio is a great pick. Number 2. Avalon A4BLWTRCLR Bottom Loading Water Cooler. The Avalon A4BLWTRCLR Bottom Loading Water Cooler Dispenser is a premium-style water cooler designed for home and office use. It features a convenient bottom loading system, 3 temperature options, and a durable stainless steel cabinet that gives it a modern appearance. This dispenser offers hot, cold, and room temperature water settings, allowing users to choose refreshing cold water, normal drinking water, or hot water for tea and coffee. The hot water system provides strong heating performance with 420W power, while the cooling system uses 100W power to keep water chilled. One of the biggest advantages of this model is the bottom loading design, which removes the difficulty of lifting heavy 3 or 5 gallon bottles. It also helps reduce spills and makes the dispenser easier to maintain. The built-in night light makes the water spouts easier to see in low light conditions, and the empty bottle indicator alerts users when a refill is needed. The stainless steel and black design gives the Avalon A4 a clean, professional look that fits well in kitchens, offices, and shared spaces. It also includes BioGuard antimicrobial coating on high-touch areas to help reduce bacteria growth. Pros: heavy checkmark bottom loading system, easy bottle replacement. Heavy checkmark hot, cold and room temperature water options. Heavy checkmark stylish stainless steel design. Heavy checkmark built-in night light feature. Heavy checkmark empty bottle indicator. Heavy checkmark BioGuard antimicrobial protection. Heavy checkmark fits 3 and 5 gallon water bottles. Heavy checkmark UL/Energy Star approved. Cons: water bottle not included. Requires floor space. No built-in filtration system. Needs regular cleaning. Hot water is not instant like a kettle. Final verdict: the Avalon A4BLWTRCLR Bottom Loading Water Cooler is a reliable and convenient choice for families, offices, and workplaces. Its easy bottom loading system, multiple temperature options, safety features, and modern design make it a strong everyday hydration solution. Overall, it is a well-designed water dispenser that balances convenience, performance, and durability for regular home or office use. Number 3. Manastin Bottom-Loading Water Cooler Dispenser. The Manastin Bottom-Loading Water Cooler Dispenser is a modern water dispenser designed for homes, offices, gyms, and living spaces. It features a convenient bottom-loading design, 3 temperature options, and safety features that make daily water use easier and more comfortable. The bottom-loading system removes the hassle of lifting heavy 3 or 5-gallon water bottles. The hidden bottle design keeps the unit looking clean and stylish while making replacement easier. The built-in rubber hose can also be removed for easier cleaning and maintenance. This water cooler provides 3 temperature modes: hot, cold, and room temperature. The hot water reaches up to 203 degrees Fahrenheit, while the cold water stays around 43.7 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for refreshing drinks, tea, coffee, and everyday hydration. The heating and cooling system is designed for faster temperature control and continuous use. A major highlight is the safety system. It includes a child safety lock for hot water, an empty bottle indicator, and a dry burn protection feature that helps prevent damage when the water supply runs out. The unit uses 304 food-grade stainless steel inner tanks, offering better durability, heat resistance, and cleaner water storage. Its matte black design gives it a premium appearance that fits well in kitchens, offices, and living rooms. Pros: heavy checkmark easy bottom-loading bottle design. Heavy checkmark no heavy lifting required. Heavy checkmark hot, cold and room temperature water options. Heavy checkmark child safety lock for hot water. Heavy checkmark empty bottle indicator alert. Heavy checkmark dry burn protection feature. Heavy checkmark large capacity for family and office use. Heavy checkmark stylish matte black appearance. Heavy checkmark quiet operation. Cons: plastic exterior material. Water bottle not included. Requires floor space. Needs regular cleaning and maintenance. Final verdict: the Manastin bottom-loading water cooler dispenser is a practical and stylish option for anyone who wants convenient access to hot and cold water without the effort of lifting heavy bottles. With its safety features, temperature options, and easy bottom-loading design, it works well for both home and office environments. Overall, it is a feature-rich water cooler offering convenience, safety, and modern design for everyday hydration needs. Number 4. Brio Self-Cleaning Bottom-Loading Water Cooler. The Brio Self-Cleaning Bottom-Loading Water Cooler Dispenser is a premium water cooler designed for homes and offices that want convenience, better hygiene, and easy bottle replacement. It combines a bottom-loading design with a UV self-cleaning feature to reduce maintenance and keep the dispenser cleaner. The bottom-loading system is one of its biggest advantages because you do not need to lift heavy 3 or 5-gallon water bottles onto the top. The hidden bottle cabinet keeps the design neat while making refills much easier. This dispenser provides 3 temperature options: hot, cold, and room temperature water. You can enjoy chilled water, normal drinking water, or hot water for tea and coffee. The hot water reaches up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, making it useful for quick beverages. A standout feature is the UV self-cleaning function. With the push of a button, the unit helps sanitize the internal water system, reducing the effort needed for frequent cleaning. This is especially useful for families and offices where multiple people use the dispenser. The built-in nightlight improves visibility in dark areas and helps you see the drip tray when cleaning is needed. The hot water outlet also includes a child safety lock to prevent accidental burns. With a 500W power system, stainless steel construction, and a large 5-gallon capacity, the Brio dispenser offers reliable daily performance. Pros: heavy checkmark easy bottom-loading bottle design. Heavy checkmark UV self-cleaning feature. Heavy checkmark hot, cold and room temperature water options. Heavy checkmark child safety lock for hot water. Heavy checkmark built-in nightlight. Heavy checkmark stainless steel premium design. Heavy checkmark fits 3 and 5-gallon bottles. Heavy checkmark great for home and office use. Cons: requires floor space. Water bottle not included. Self-cleaning does not replace full manual cleaning. Higher price compared to basic dispensers. Final verdict. The Brio self-cleaning bottom-loading water cooler dispenser is a strong choice for users who want a cleaner, easier, and more convenient water solution. Its combination of bottom-loading, UV cleaning, safety features, and modern stainless steel design makes it ideal for families, offices, and shared spaces. Overall, it is a feature-packed water cooler that focuses on convenience, hygiene, and everyday hydration comfort. Number 5. Avalon A4BLWTRCLR Bottom-Loading Water Cooler Dispenser. The Avalon A4BLWTRCLR Bottom-Loading Water Cooler Dispenser is a stylish and convenient water solution designed for homes, offices, and everyday hydration needs. Its bottom-loading design makes replacing 3 or 5-gallon water bottles much easier because you don't have to lift heavy bottles onto the top of the machine. This water cooler offers 3 temperature options: hot, cold, and room temperature, allowing users to enjoy refreshing cold water, normal drinking water, or hot water for coffee and tea. The hot water function includes a child safety lock, helping prevent accidental dispensing and making it safer for families. One of the standout features is its modern stainless steel cabinet design, which gives it a premium look that blends well in kitchens, offices, and living spaces. It also includes a built-in nightlight, making the water spouts easier to see in low-light conditions, along with an empty bottle indicator that alerts you when the water needs to be replaced. The Avalon dispenser uses a 400W power system with efficient heating and cooling performance. The BioGuard antimicrobial coating on high-touch areas helps reduce bacteria growth, adding an extra layer of hygiene and convenience. However, like most freestanding water coolers, it requires floor space, and the water bottle is not included. The cooling capacity may also not be enough for very high-demand environments like large offices. Pros. Heavy checkmark easy bottom-loading design. Heavy checkmark hot, cold and room temperature water options. Heavy checkmark child safety lock for hot water. Heavy checkmark stainless steel modern design. Heavy checkmark built-in nightlight feature. Heavy checkmark empty bottle replacement indicator. Heavy checkmark BioGuard antimicrobial protection. Heavy checkmark fits standard 3 and 5-gallon bottles. Cons. Water bottle not included. Requires floor space. Not ideal for very high volume use. Regular cleaning is required. Final verdict. The Avalon A4BLWTRCLR bottom-loading water cooler dispenser is a great choice for anyone looking for a convenient, stylish, and easy-to-use water dispenser for home or office use. Its bottom-loading system, safety features, and 3 temperature settings make daily hydration simple and comfortable. If you want a reliable water cooler with a premium design and easy maintenance, the Avalon A4BLWTRCLR is a strong option.